Hello friends, my name is Vivek Upadhyay. Today is 7th of December 2021 and my today's topic is string constant pool in Java. Friends, first we will see what the string is. Basically, string is a sequence of characters and one of the most important characteristics of the string in Java is that they are immutable. In other words, once created, the internal state of a string remains the same throughout the execution of the program. This immutability is achieved through the use of a special string constant pool in the heap. Here we will see and understand the storage of the strings. We will see what the string pool is. String pool is nothing but a storage area in Java heap where string literal stores. It is also known as string internal pool or string constant pool. It is just like an object allocation by default. It is empty and privately maintained by the Java string class. Whenever we create a string, the string object occupies some space in the heap memory. Creating a number of strings may increase the cost and memory too, which may reduce the performance also. The JVM performs some steps during the initialization of string literals that increase the performance and decrease the memory load. To decrease the number of string objects created in the JVM, the string class keeps a pool of strings. Friends, when we create a string literal, the JVM first check that literal in the string pool, and if the literal is already present in the pool, it returns a reference to the pooled instance. And if the literal is not present in the pool, a new string object takes the place in the string pool. A string is an object is created in the stack and the value hello is created and stored in the heap. Since we have normally assigned the value, it is stored in the constant area of the heap. And a pointer points towards the value stored in the heap from the object in the stack. Friends, usually the stack stores the data in data and that is short-lived. It includes local primitive variables, references of heap, objects and methods in execution. What is heap? Heap allows dynamic memory allocation, stores the Java objects and JRE classes at the runtime. The heap also allows global access and data stores in the heap are available to all threads during the lifetime of the application, whereas the data stores on the stack have the private scope and only the owner thread can access them. The stack stores the data in contiguous memory blocks and permits random access. If a class needs a random string from the pool, it might not be available due to LIFO, that is last in first out rule of the stack. In contrast, the heap allocates the memory dynamically and allows us to access the data in any way. Now let's assume we have a code snippet consisting of different types of variables. The stack will store the value of the int literal and references of string and demo objects. Now the value of any object will be stored in the heap and all the string literals go in the pool inside the heap. The main advantage of the string pool in Java is to reduce memory usage. And when we create a string literal, that is string name, suppose string name is equals to John. Java checks the same for the same value in the string pool, and if it's present in Java, it takes the reference from the pool and doesn't create a new object. And Java string pool has a following flywheel pattern concept. Now what is this flywheel pattern concept? A flywheel is an object that minimizes memory usage by sharing as much data as possible with the other similar objects. It is a way to use objects in a large number when a simple repeated representation would use an unacceptable amount of memory. And there are often also some parts in the object state can be shared, and it is common practice to hold them in external data structures and pass them to the objects temporarily. So that's it for today, friends. Thank you.